Hello guys, in this video we talk about how to unlock iPhone without passcode. Dear viewers, InfoRx is a tech review channel. It's helpful to your tech life. Please subscribe our channel and support our team. Okay, let's go to the topic. Generally, you can easily unlock your iPhone with a passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID. However, there can be instances when you've forgotten the passcode, your iPhone is disabled, or you've got a second-hand phone that's locked. In such cases, you would have to bypass iPhone passcode to access your device. In this article, we'll walk you through 5 tested methods on how to unlock an iPhone without a passcode. Also, there are various misconceptions about unlocking iPhone with calculator, Siri, or camera. We've busted all the myths in this article. So, buckle up, and let's see how to unlock an iPhone if you forget the passcode. 1. Using a computer. The first way to unlock an iPhone without a passcode or Face ID is using a computer. You will have to restore your iPhone in recovery mode. Once done, you can set up your iPhone and set a new passcode, Touch ID, Face ID, or choose to use your device without any of these. You can use a Mac or even a Windows PC for this process. Note, this method will delete everything and factory reset your iPhone. If you've backed up your data, you can restore it while setting up your iPhone. 1. First, you need to turn off your iPhone. 2. Next, perform a force restart to put your iPhone in recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later models, press and hold the side button. On iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, use the volume down button. On iPhone SE and iPhone 6s or earlier, use the home button. 3. While holding the button, connect your iPhone to your Mac or Windows PC using a compatible cable. 4. Continue to hold the button until you see the recovery mode screen on the iPhone. A lightning cable icon and an arrow pointing towards a laptop will appear on your iPhone once your phone has entered recovery mode. 5. In case you see the password screen on your iPhone, turn it off and repeat the above steps. 6. Then, open Finder on your Mac and select your iPhone. On a Windows PC or laptop, open the iTunes app and click on the iPhone icon. 7. When you see an option to update or restore on your computer, choose Restore. 7. Confirm your decision and go along with the on-screen instructions. 8. Your computer will begin the restore process and download the latest software update for your iPhone. It might take up to 15 minutes. 9. Once completed, your iPhone will restart automatically and show the setup screen. 10. Disconnect your iPhone from the Mac or Windows PC and then set it up. 2. Using iCloud. Note, this method will delete all your iPhone data. If you forgot the passcode and the Face ID isn't working, you can unlock your iPhone using iCloud. For this, you need to make sure that you've already enabled the Find My feature on your iPhone. Here's how to bypass iPhone lock screen using Find My. 1. On a trusted device, smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to icloud.com/find/. 2. Click Sign in and enter your Apple ID credentials. 3. Click All Devices and choose your iPhone from the drop-down menu. 4. Finally, click on the Erase iPhone option. If you sign in from a new device and have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll have to enter the Apple ID password and 6-digit verification code that's sent to your trusted devices. Once verified, you can erase the iPhone. 5. When you see a pop-up here and asking for your confirmation, click on Erase. 6. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password again. 3. Using Reset option. It is possible to unlock your iPhone without passcode or a computer. If you know your Apple ID password, you can use the iPhone Reset option on your device to wipe off everything and set up your iPhone again. Here's how to do it. Note, your iPhone must be running iOS 15.2 or later and connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. 1. On your locked iPhone, enter the possible passcodes until you see the iPhone unavailable screen. 2. You'll see the Forgot Passcode option at the bottom right corner. Tap it. 3. Then, tap the Start iPhone Restart option. 4. Next up, enter your Apple ID password to erase the iPhone. 5. Confirm your decision and wait for the process to finish. You can then set up your iPhone as new or restore it from a backup, if any. Note, there isn't an exact time limit on when the Forgot Passcode option will be available on your iOS device. In some cases, the option was immediately available when iPhone got disabled, unavailable for 1 minute. In some cases, it might take up to 15 minutes. 4. Using Apple Watch. If you've got an Apple Watch, you can unlock your iPhone without a passcode without losing any data. This is one of the best ways to unlock an iPhone without a computer or Apple ID password. Prerequisites. 1. You need to have an iPhone that supports facial recognition. Specifically, an iPhone 10 or later running iOS 14.5 or newer version. 2. This method works for Apple Watch Series 3 or later with WatchOS 7.4 or later. To avoid any issues, make sure to update your Apple Watch to the latest software version. 3. You should have already enabled Unlock with Apple Watch option in Face ID and passcode setting on your iPhone. 4. Your Apple Watch should be password protected, unlocked, and on your wrist or near your iPhone. 5. You should be wearing a mask, sunglasses, or ski goggles. 6. This method offers limited access to your iPhone. You can't use Apple Pay, passwords stored in Keychain, or any password-protected apps. 1. When your Apple Watch is on your wrist or nearby, tap your iPhone to wake it up. Then, swipe up from the bottom. 2. When you're prompted to enter the passcode, look at your iPhone. If your Apple Watch is locked, you'll be asked to unlock it. 3. Finally, glance at your iPhone and you'll be able to bypass the iPhone passcode. 4. Once done, you'll get a message on your Apple Watch saying your iPhone is unlocked by this Apple Watch, with an option to lock the iPhone again. 5. Using Forgot Passcode option on iOS 17. If you've installed iOS 17 beta on your iPhone, there's an option to reset your iPhone passcode if you've forgotten it. That said, there are some limitations. You can use this option within 72 hours of your previous passcode being set. After that, this option isn't available. You should know your previous passcode. Otherwise, your iPhone will get disabled and even extend to a permanent lockdown mode. If the conditions are met, you can follow the below steps to reset your iPhone passcode. 1. Enter the possible passcodes until the iPhone unavailable screen appears. 2. Tap Forgot Passcode from the bottom right corner and choose Enter Previous Passcode. 3. You'll see the passcode reset screen. Enter your previous password here. 4. Next up, choose from the passcode options and punch in the new passcode. 4. That's it, you've successfully reset your iPhone passcode and unlocked the device. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, touch with us and follow our social pages. Comment your opinions about this video.